What's up, everybody? This is Matt again, or Van Dan Dan 14. If you haven't seen my last video, go watch it. We got this sick Robert Griffin third, Robert Griffin the third, or RG3, three-color patch number to 50, out of the certified football box, 2010. I was gonna do a group break for these, but I can't help it. I want to break them open, both of them tonight. So feeling good. Hoping I get some little bit of the mojo from Robert Griffin for this Absolute Football 2012. So hopefully, hopefully I can get something good. All right. More boxes. Let's get the packs out first. Alright, looking for something big here. Alright, we'll go ahead and start with the small one. Wish me luck. Here we go. Alright. First, we got Rashard Mendenhall, Darius Hayward-Bay, Kevin Cole, Groundhogs, Darren McFadden for the Raiders, and turn this around. Coming for the Bears is Brandon Harden, Bears, number 299 autograph, Spectrum. There's one. Not bad, I guess. It's an autograph, so. Alright, we're going with this one again. Assuming this one's probably an autograph again. There we go. Alright, Steve Smith, Adrian Peterson, Marco Murray, Marvin Jones, rookie card, and it is Chandler Jones autograph for the Patriots. Oh, I should probably show the camera. There it is, not bad, I guess. It goes there. Alright, let's hope they give me something good in these ones. Alright, Matt Castleday, Stephen Wells, DeMar Charles, Trent Robinson for the 49ers rookie, and it is Ryan Broyles, NFC rookie jersey autograph, numbered 15 out of 49, so that's not bad. Pretty nice hit. Ryan Broyles there. Alright, last pack here. These are hard to open. Alright, Dez Bryant, Antonio Holmes, Tim Tebow, Drew Brees, Marks of the Game, and Premier Patches. Oh, that is Chris Johnson, Premier Patches. 3-color patch. That is sick. Numbered 6 out of 10. Damn, that's nice. 6 out of 10. Alright. So, little recap. Chris Johnson, 6 out of 10. 6 jumbo patch right there. Ryan Broyles, NFC rookie, numbered to 49. 15 out of 49. Autographed. 3 or triple jersey or whatever. And then we got a Chandler Jones autograph. Spectrum numbered 299. And a Brandon Harden autograph. Spectrum numbered to 299. Actually, I think these might have been the same number. Oh no, this is 121 out of 299. This one's 122 out of 299. So not a bad break at all. That sick Chris Johnson patch, the Ryan Broyles is actually pretty nice too. All right, so I'm gonna be doing some group breaks here pretty soon. Um, so if you're interested, let me know so we can start talking about what time we want to do. All right.